Good morning. I checked with YouTube to see if it was okay to criticize Anthony Fauci. I couldn't find anything. But just to be on the safe side, I'm not critical to Fauci. I'm just telling you this. See, I wanted to tell you, and I'm not critical, right? Just remember this. So allegedly, Fauci used taxpayers' money to do experiments on 44 beagle puppies in Tunisia. Puppy experiments that saw these puppies locked in cages with hungry sandflies. They had the beagles infected with disease-causing parasites in order to test an experimental drug. The dogs were all between 6 and 8 months old. The tests involved injecting and force-feeding the puppies an experimental drug for several weeks before killing them and dissecting them. And the dogs' vocal cords were cut to prevent them from barking, howling, or crying. And now Fauci is attacked for this. 24 House representatives wrote a letter demanding that Fauci answers to the claims. Oh. Yeah. All right. Here in Sweden, the Swedish media TV4, mainstream media, the top, they reported on this choir, people singing in Gothenburg. There was this choir, and now they are shaken because there was a COVID outbreak in the choir. Yeah. A lot of them got sick with COVID. Almost all of them were double vaccinated. Yeah. And they met for practice in this big hall so that they could keep a distance, but it still happened. It didn't help. Right. And there was a nurse in the report in the area. She said it's a bit strange because so many got the vaccine in this region. That's what she said. I don't think it's strange, and I think it's a good thing, you see. Yeah, we are on YouTube now, you see, and we are all positive about this. So I think it's positive that people get sick with COVID after taking the vaccine, because then people understand that they need to take more vaccines, you see. Well, it's good, all good. Now for the list. Yeah, I just keep doing it. So these people are dangerous. And they talk about the vaccine. They are doctors, they are specialists, they are others. And they are critical to the vaccine. They are blocked. Most of them are blocked on YouTube, I think. It's hard to find anything. But on other platforms you will find stuff. But you shouldn't look for it. Just remember their names. As I'm reading this, I want to tell you, I'm hearing from people, and I've seen it myself, that people who take the vaccine are changing. Yeah. There's a change going on. I'm sure it's all positive. Yeah. Well, I suppose they just get more intelligent, maybe, you know. Something is going on with them. I will address this further on my other videos that are published on other platforms, because it's a bit risky to talk about this here. I don't want to mess things up for YouTube, you see. Here's the last one. Don't look at him. I remember this guy. I listened to him. Maybe it was in the beginning of this year. Yeah. I thought it was just a jerk. Yeah. Well, he's critical to the vaccine. What a jerk. So don't look these people up, whatever you do. Alright, be good.